Thanks you for watching this video. Samsung Galaxy A9 Pro, battery life not rivals. Powerful performance, up to 6-inch screen, but thanks to battery capacities up to 5000 mAh, Samsung Galaxy A9 Pro makes almost no rival in comparison with battery life on par with other products' configuration. Previously, when you want to own a product with extreme battery cattle is almost only cheap products, mainly mid-range whack, just as Asus Zenfone Max, Lenovo P1 or Oukitel K10000, now Samsung has brought to market Vietnam Samsung Galaxy A9 Pro with powerful performance, beautiful design, and battery life is equally impressive. Battery life. Battery life test. First, test conditions. 1. Brightness and volume 50%. 2. Using the original version of Android 6.0 machine. 3. Always on the location and synchronization. 4. The Facebook app, Messenger, Zalo, email, Skype always receive notification when a network connection. 5. Ambient temperature ranges from 26 to 32 degrees C. 6. Using a 3G Zenfone phone. Statistical start from 6 p.m. statistics, so should have 5 hours of standby time. I went to bed. Here you have the statistical process using 100%, 15%. It was impressive, with many different tasks, using both 3G on-screen time for up to 10 hours 30 minutes while still 15% battery capacity. If only use Wi-Fi to surf the computer office can add almost 2 hours, but usually should charge the device when the battery capacity remaining 15 to 20%. If compared to the Max Zenfone with 5000 mAh battery capacity but much lower configuration that I used to evaluate, the battery life is only a little worse. Despite his previous time measurements on Zenfone Max, on-screen figure reached 15 hours, but in my tests it uses 3G and standby time is quite less, and test until the machine runs out of battery power off. If comparing each task together, the two are roughly equivalent. Some Galaxy A9 Pro task a bit more battery power. Why would I compare A9 Pro with a half-price product? Because I want to assure optimal battery life. Samsung is well on its products. Zenfone Max been appreciated, but battery life is only on May 5-inch HD screen and Snapdragon 410, but A9 Pro with 6-inch Full HD screen and Snapdragon 652. However, during trial I found the A9 Pro battery capacity drops unevenly, from 100%, 70% of the tasks less battery than when less than 50%. In the table below, his statistics took some when the battery level data delivered in about 40 to 60% relative to securing the best. When done with the software PC mark, a treadmill simulator software, gaming tasks, web browsing, and its volume and brightness to 50%, 12 hours and 55 minutes as the count reached until 20% longer battery life. The machine is equipped with 2 modes to save battery. Battery saver mode, the machine will restrict normal background data, reduce the brightness. But with super battery saver mode, the screen goes black and white city and allows customization. A few tasks are allowed to use. I do not have time to test this feature, but with a trip away without charging time and to keep in touch, I think if enabled super save battery power when the batteries are 100% factory good, office 3 to 4 days or even weeks. Temperature, charging time. In the course of use, the temperature is not too hot. Machines heavy gaming or surfing for hours on 3G also does not cause discomfort, even though the machine using a metal frame with glass sides. If you have ever experienced through the Galaxy A5 and A7 2016, on the A9 Pro also similar. With its charging time is not evaluated, as the machine not only can borrow original charger, but with time 100 minutes for the 3600 mAh battery on the edge, I believe S7 fully charged A9 time Pro is just over 2 hours. Conclusion. Battery life on the Galaxy A5 and A7 in 2016 actually very satisfied. With the A9 Pro, Samsung also do better than that. With over 10 hours on screen until 15% battery capacity, then 1 working day from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. bedtime certainly not the problem unless you have a whole day just to use smartphones. With moderate demand, the machine can stand up to 2 days, because most normal smartphone just for time on screen is only about 4 to 6 hours was also big enough for 1 day of use. If you are looking for a large screen, powerful performance, beautiful design, and especially to the A9 Pin Buffalo Pro certainly is a device that cannot be ignored. Thanks you for watching this video. Please comments below the video to help me make more interesting video for you.